Hi all, this is Steve Money, the Market Chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the Australian and the New Zealand dollars, both versus the US currency, and these currencies really driving markets lower in here, really the leading the major G10 currencies lower versus the US currency, particularly the Aussie dollar, which has been in really pretty much in free fall in here since the middle of April. We saw this potential topping structure, but since the RBA rate cut, unexpected rate cut, pretty much at the beginning of May in here, the market having significant losses, a slight rebound through the middle of last week, but then erosion going into the end of the week, Thursday, Friday, further losses anticipated at the beginning of the week this week, given Chinese data over the weekend. And bigger picture threat we feel going into the second half of May now for a deeper correction for this whole area down here. Chart support 7106 and 6971, encompassing the psychological and option target at 7000. This whole area is a target now going into the second half, probably the latter part of May. If we zoom in onto the New Zealand chart now, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, double top pattern was produced back here last week on the breakdown through 68.05. That signified a shift in the intermediate term outlook from bullish to more neutral range environment. Not yet here quite as bearish as the Aussie dollar in here, but nevertheless the market pointing lower again on Friday. Real risk for a push down to this 66.64 key level now, through which we'll then see an intermediate term shift to more bearish going again into the second half of May. So certainly Australian dollar leading the way lower, New Zealand dollar threatening to join for a more bearish intermediate term outlook for the second half of this month. This has been Steve Money, the Market Chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.